Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be sharing the Goosebumps collection from Cirque Colors, which will give you some amazing Halloween nail looks. So there are three things in this collection. We have Sticky Icky, which is a lime shade, Phantom Glow, which glows in the dark, and Hocus Pocus, which are these super cute sparkle-shaped glitters. I'm going to start by swatching Sticky Icky. This has a really great formula and incredible coverage. It really is the perfect slime green shade. Also, I applied 2 coats. Next is Phantom Glow. I'm going to apply 2 coats over Sticky Icky, which will make it glow extra bright since it's over a lighter solid color. And here it is in the dark, which I'm extremely obsessed with. I love it. So now I'm going to do some glow-in-the-dark faded French tips. I used Georgette for the base color, then I added it to a makeup sponge with Carpe Diem and sponged it onto the nail. I'll be repeating the same steps as before until I get the gradient I want. You may need to do 3 layers, but 2 worked for me. Clean up around the nail to remove the excess polish, then add Phantom Glow to the smaller side of the sponge and sponge onto the tip of the nail, then lightly toward the base. Add 1 more layer of Phantom Glow so that it will glow extra bright. Add a layer of top coat, then you'll have these really fun faded French tip nails that glow in the dark. Now I'm going to show you the Hocus Pocus sparkle glitters, which are just so cute. You can wear these with so many different shades. The first way is over a nude shade, so I'm using Georgette again as the base. Then I'm going to pick up the glitters with the What a Stud tool from Cirque and apply them while the polish is still wet. And of course I'm adding a top coat. I'm using Looking Glass from Cirque, which has a thicker formula that gives an extra glossy finish. Here's the result. I love these and think they're perfect if you want a more subtle Halloween mani. Alright, so here are the glitters over black. Again, super obsessed with how these look. The colors really pop on the darker background, which is so pretty. So the third way is with Phantom Glow, which I'll be applying over Sticky Icky. I'm going to add the glitters like before, then finish off with a layer of top coat. I love these glitters over the slime green as well, and when it glows in the dark with the little sparkle shapes, it's just the most perfect Halloween look ever. Don't forget to let me know which look you liked best. That does it for the Cirque Colors Goosebumps collection. I really hope you enjoyed seeing it along with some fun manicures. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you later!